A very good morning to all. Today we are going to start with the exercise of our chapter 7, Matter and its 3 states. Now we can take page number 80 in your textbook and let's start with the first exercise. That is, tick the correct option. So I'll read out the question and you can tick the right answers. The first one. What is the mass of a plastic bowl? Options: the amount of plastic it contains, the space occupied by it, its shape, its color. The second one. What happens when a wax candle is heated? Options: it changes into powder, it melts and changes into liquid wax, it remains the same, it becomes harder. Coming to the third one, which is the lightest state of matter? Options: solid, liquid, gas and ice. Coming to the fourth one, what do you observe when you boil water in an open kettle? Options: water becomes cool, water vapor rises up, water changes into ice, water flows out. So I hope you have marked the answers. So let's see the right answers. So the first one, what is the answer for the first one? What is the mass of a plastic bowl? The mass of a plastic bowl is the amount of plastic it contains. So the first one is the right answer. Coming to the second one, what happens when a wax candle is heated? What happens? It melts and changes into liquid wax. It changes into liquid form. So the answer is the second one. Third one, which is the lightest state of matter? So which is the lightest state of matter? It is the gas. So gaseous state of matter is the lightest state of matter. What about the fourth one? What do you observe when you boil water in an open kettle? The answer is water vapor rises up. So the water vapor rises up. It is the right answer. Coming to the second one, classify the following as solid, liquid or gas. So you have to classify these following as solid, liquid or gas. So you can pause the video and try to classify the following as solid, liquid and gas. So then we'll discuss the answers. So let's see the answers. So what is the first one? The first one is smoke. So it is the gaseous state of matter. So gas. Then steam. It is gas. Then what about leaf? It is a solid. Then oil. It is liquid. What about sand? It is solid. Honey. It is in liquid form. Grain. It is in solid form. Air. It is the gaseous state of matter. What about rain? It is in liquid state. Coming to the third one, choose the words from the list to complete the sentences. So following words are given and you have to choose the right words to complete the following sentences. The first one, the space occupied by an object is its volume. So the space occupied by an object is the volume. Second one, oxygen in the air is in dash state of matter. It is in which state of matter? It is in gaseous state of matter. Third one, when you heat water, it changes into water vapor. That is the gaseous state of matter. Fourth one, the state of matter of oil. It is in which state? It is in liquid state. Fifth one, the solid form of water is? It is ice. Coming to the fourth one, answer the following questions in one sentence. So let's read out and discuss the answer and later you can write it down in your notebook. First one, name the 3 states of matter. So which are the 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. So the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. The second one, which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? So which has a definite shape and volume? Which state of matter? That is the solid. So solid has a definite shape and volume. Moving to third one. Does petrol have a definite shape? So petrol is in which state of matter? It is in liquid state of matter. And we know that liquids have no definite shape and definite volume. So the question here is, does petrol have a definite shape? So what is the answer? No, petrol does not have a definite shape as it is a liquid. So liquids do not have definite shape. Fourth one. When does water vapor change into water? On cooling, water vapor changes back into water. Coming to the fifth one, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. The first one, why do gases not have a definite volume? Gases spread in the entire available space and so do not have a definite volume. So gases fills up any space that it gets so that its volume changes. So gases have no definite volume. Second one, what happens when wax is heated? What happens when wax undergoes extreme temperature? What happens when wax is heated? Wax melts when it is heated. It changes into liquid form. So wax melts when it is heated. Coming to the third one, define solute and solvent. Solute is a solid which dissolves in a liquid. So it is a solid that dissolves in liquid. The liquid in which it dissolves is known as solvent. So the liquid in which the solid dissolves is called as the solvent. Coming to the fourth one, what is a solution? Explain with an example. Solution is formed when a substance dissolves in water. So when a solution is formed when a substance dissolves in water, when a solute dissolves in water. For example, sugar dissolves in water to form a solution. So when you dissolve sugar in water, it forms a solution. It forms a sugar solution. Next is higher order thinking skills. So here you can see 2 sets of pictures, A and B. Below that, you can see the following questions. So let's read out and answer these questions. The first one, which of the 2 sets describes a liquid and why? Which set describes liquid? The first one or the second one? That is A or B? It is A. So it shows that liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. So here in this picture you can see liquids are filled in different containers and it takes the shape of that containers, which means they have no definite shape, but their volume remains same. Coming to the second one, does a liquid acquire the shape of the container when it is placed? So it takes the shape of the container where it is filled. It has no definite shape. Wherever it is filled, it takes the shape of that container. So the answer is yes. Third one, does a liquid have definite shape? Does liquid have definite shape? No, it doesn't have a definite shape. Coming to the fourth one, which set describes a gas and why? So which set describes gas? It is B, picture B. It shows that gas neither has a definite shape nor a definite volume. So in this picture you can see the gas is in a small bottle. And if you transfer this gas from the small bottle to the large bottle, it fills up the space inside that large bottle. It fills up the entire space inside the large bottle, which means it doesn't have a definite volume nor it doesn't have a definite shape. Coming to the fifth one, which set does not have a definite volume? A or B? It is B. Gases have no definite volume. Sixth one, Does a solid behave like a liquid when placed in different containers? What is the answer? The answer is no, because solids have a definite shape, and wherever you place them, their shape does not change. Coming to the seventh one, does a gas have definite shape? What is the answer? The answer is no. Gas have no definite shape. Eighth one, which of the two will flow on surface? Liquid, solid. It is the liquid that flows on a surface. Ninth one, do both A and B have definite shape? What is the answer? The answer is no. Both A and B have no definite shape. Wherever you fill them, they take the shape of that container. Only solids have definite shape. Coming to the next one, it is value-based question. You have a passage given. Let's read and answer these questions. Ria and her mother returned home from shopping. As soon as they entered the home, they could smell LPG, that is the liquefied petroleum gas. Ria's mother quickly checked and closed the knob of the gas cylinder while Ria opened all the windows of her house. So here, Ria and her mother, when they returned back to their home, they could smell the gas. They could smell the gas from the gas cylinder. And soon, her mother closed the knob of the cylinder and Ria opened all the windows of the house. So, following questions are given. Let's read and answer these questions. So, the first one. Which state of matter is LPG in when it burns? It is in gaseous state, that is gas. Second one. In which state of matter it is stored? It is stored in liquid state of matter. So, it is stored in liquid state. So, the answer is liquid. The third one. Ria and her mother acted quickly to avert a major accident. Which values do they show? Presence of mind, courage and quick action. Her mother was able to close the node and Ria quickly opened all the windows of the house. So where it means the presence of mind, courage and quick action worked here. This quick action saved them. Coming to the next one, that is activity zone. So you can do this activity and once you are done this, you can send this through Microsoft Teams. And you have also a project given. So this project you can try with the help of your elders. Great scientist named Joseph Priestley, and he was a chemist and an educator. And he invented soda water, and it is believed that he discovered oxygen gas. That is about the great scientist named Joseph Priestley. So we are done with this exercise and the chapter. So I hope you all understood. So let's meet in the next class and start with a new chapter. Till then, thank you.